If you're having trouble logging into Udemy using your email and password, here's a simple, step-by-step way to get back into your account quickly. To log into Udemy with your email and password, first open your browser and navigate to the Udemy website. Click the Login button in the top right corner of the homepage. In the login form that appears, enter the email address associated with your Udemy account and then type in your password carefully. Make sure there are no extra spaces or typos. After entering your credentials, click Login. If Udemy prompts you with a security verification, such as a CAPTCHA or email confirmation, complete that step. Once verified, you'll be taken to your Udemy dashboard where you can access your courses. If you ever forget your password, click Forgot Password, follow the instructions to reset it, and then return to the login screen to sign in with a new password. And that's how you can log into Udemy using your email and password. Once you're signed in, you can immediately access your courses and continue learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.